Okay, here's my number one travel tip. There's some controversy to this tip, but I'm begging you, try this out. Here's my tip. I don't care if you're going away overnight, a weekend, a week, even a month, never, ever, ever check a bag. Take everything you need in one suitcase that can be rolled onto the airplane and stowed overhead. Why am I so adamant about this? It's because it will make your life so much easier. You're not going to have to worry about your luggage getting lost. You're not going to have to worry about your luggage getting stolen. You're not going to have to worry about someone opening up, stealing things. You're not going to have to worry about you making it in time for your connecting flight, but your bag didn't. And when you get to your final destination, you're not going to have to worry about waiting an extra hour for your baggage to get to the carousel. It makes life so much easier. Also, once you get your bag, it's so much easier to have one bag you can pull rather than lugging all sorts of heavy trunks. This isn't 1890. You're not a Victorian gentleman or lady from England with 10 servants carrying gigantic trunks. You don't need 29 different sets of evening wear and 14 pairs of shoes to enjoy your vacation. Take simple basics. If you want your clothes washed while you're gone, it's so much easier and cheaper just to pay the hotel to do it. Rinse it out in your sink if you have to, but it's going to eliminate so many complications. For years, I checked bags because I had expensive video equipment and training tools, and several times my bags didn't make it, and I had to show up in front of people, training people in shorts and a t-shirt. Once I started a family reunion for a week, 0 baggage. Had to borrow cousins' clothes for a week. That doesn't need to be you. Take everything you need in one bag. It will simplify life so much for you on the road. And yeah, will someone perhaps see you wear the same thing 2 days in a row? Yeah, guess what? Nobody cares. Make your life easy. Put everything in one carry-on bag.